everyone. I am fixing up this little weird continuous noise that always come out. I always hear it behind the glove box. And I remember when I bought the car, this was never there. And then it turns out it's pretty common problem for FJ Cruiser or Tacoma. Tacoma or 4Runner as well. So it's actually a air blend actuator, like a servo motor, is the cause of the problem. It's just it's like free spinning, like it's not recognizing its position, I guess. And most people would just take this off and then replace the parts with a new one. But now, like, the cheap knockoff, like aftermarket stuff was kind of expensive, but then also the shipping time was crazy. So, and then I go to Toyota and they want a little over $200 for this piece. So yeah, so you basically take the glove box out and some harness clips off, and that's the motor. There are 3 servo motors in total. There are 2 on by the center console side, and there's another one by the passenger door. But this one right by the center console, the upper one, seems to be the one that people have problem with. And it's held with 3 Phillips screws, which is extremely hard to get to. So I don't know, if you're tired or having a bad day or something, I wouldn't recommend working on this thing. It took me over an hour to just take 3 screws off. 2 of them are okay, but one of the screws is really just behind everything, so you really can't get to it. And so instead of replacing the parts, I decided to just take it apart and then clean out all the like electrical contacts. So, and then yeah, so behind this little gear thing, there's a surface where this copper piece makes contact, and a lot of times those contacts get dirty, and then it just basically poor contact makes it from not working properly. So, but like I said, most people would just buy new parts and then replace it with a new one. But if that's not an option, you could try cleaning out the contact and then grease it up with a dielectric grease. So that's what I decided to go with. Right. So I'm just spreading the new grease, dielectric grease on the motor contacts, and also 3 points arm there after cleaning. And my suspicion was maybe the worm gear is kind of worn out or something like that, but they all looked in really good shape, and I didn't see any need for replacement for those. So, and it's just this contact was a little like gunked up and dirty. So, and I cleaned it, and that's what I decided to do. And this white big plastic piece, that's the one that fits into the fan vent little control arms. There are 3 of them you have to fit into. It's kind of tricky when you put it back in, because there are 3 knobs you have to take care of at the same time. So I try to keep it at exactly as the same position that it came out. as it came out. And yeah, so it's a little, like I said, it's a little bit tricky, but if you're patient and careful, it'll do the job. So now I have the ignition on, and then switching the fan mode, like upper vent, lower vent to AC, like a defrost mode and stuff like that. And then this vent, if you press on the recirculating button, you can open that up, which will give you a better access with a screwdriver when you're trying to take off the servo motor. And then I'm just putting back the glove box cover. So 2 harnesses clipped on, and then airbag, one of the airbag harness is clipped on as well. So those 3 harnesses total, you have to clip it back on. And then once that's done, you simply just get the glove box back in. So there's a little spine, you see that metal spine that you have to slide that into the cover there. Yeah, and then it's only held with 1 screws, so it doesn't take much to take that off. Okay, so this was just a little random project I wasn't really planning of doing, but yeah, it hasn't been really annoying all this time, so I thought I might as well just get to it. Okay, so next project is going to be rear differential rebuilding. I'm still just waiting for the parts to come in, so yeah, please subscribe and be updated when my new differential project comes up. Thank you for watching.